Hello viewers and welcome back to GOLCA TV. In this clip you can see these two suspected Yahoo boys and they are having their bath right in the open, right outside on the street, and with their native doctor. This is just hilarious. This is just another one. There's many different acts that are emerging of the desperation of our young men in pursuit of wealth and instant riches. Anyways, I don't have much to say. I just wanted to share this clip with you guys, and I'd like to hear your views. I'd like to see your comments below. Make sure you like, share. If you're new to GOLCA TV, make sure you subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get any updates from us. Thank you, and see you on the next video.
I swear.